Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all Karwa Chauth special diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs before Karwa Chauth hits. Now this diet plan will definitely help you to lose 10 kgs before the Karwa Chauth hits, and it's high in protein, high in fiber, anti-inflammatory and low in carbohydrates. Recently my lots of clients asked for such kind of diet plan which can help them to lose 10 kgs very quickly and as they want to look fab during their Karwa Chauth. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522. Or you can directly click on the given link in the description box below to directly reach me out on WhatsApp, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey happening. So without any delay, let's get started with Karwa Chauth special diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs quickly. Starting with the early morning drink. For next 3 weeks, let's aim that we are having a early morning drink as lemon detox water, which is basically in a warm glass of water you add half a squeezed lemon, some turmeric. This is freshly grated turmeric. You can use turmeric powder as well for this as well. At the same time, some black pepper powder to activate the curcumin in turmeric. Mix it all well and have it empty stomach. Now this is amazing for your skin benefits, hair health benefits, anti-inflammatory benefits, and works amazing to detoxify yourself very quickly. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this, can always replace it with simple and comforting apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply mix 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it and have it empty stomach. This basically helps your body to balance its pH levels, helps you to reduce weight as well, and definitely detoxifies your body very quickly. So do try out these options for your early morning drink for this diet plan. Proceeding towards our breakfast options for this diet plan, I'll be giving you 2 options: healthy, low in carbohydrates, but definitely worth your breakfast options to make it fuller. First option is, if you want to have fruits in the morning itself and can have it, the best option is to consume fruits in the morning. Now I prefer to have it as a smoothie form. You can prepare any of your own choice. I have lots and lots of smoothie recipes on my channel which you can adapt for your breakfast, and trust me, my personal favorite is high protein smoothie, which is basically made of apple, peanut butter, banana. You can even add some almond milk or skim milk to it to maintain the consistency. Mix it all well, blend it all together, and your tasty and healthy smoothie is ready. Else you can also prepare the mango peach smoothie, or you can also prepare the watermelon slush, as per your own choice and as per your availability of the fruits as well. So do try out these recipes for your breakfast and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Proceeding towards our second option, if you cannot have this and want something warm and fuller in nature, the best option for you would be to try out my spinach corn sandwich. Boosting your iron levels in the body in the morning itself helps entire day with satiatingness. So do try out this spinach corn sandwich which I have prepared. It is super easy, super yummy, and takes hardly 5 minutes to prepare this recipe. You can grill the sandwich, have it raw as per your own choice, and tastes amazing either way. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this sandwich. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our breakfast and lunch time. The best option for this time is to have a cup of green tea or peppermint tea or chamomile tea. Now you can have any of these options for your mid-morning snack. If these are not options are not available for you, you can also have 1 cup of ajwain water or jeera water in place of this. We need the maximum weight loss to boost up during this time, so we'll be having all of these options better for the weight loss. Second is, along with that, you can have 1 fruit of your own choice, whatever is seasonally available fruit. You can have 1 orange, you can have 1 apple or banana or guava or pear, whatever is available at your place. Proceeding towards our lunch options for these diet plans. The first option for lunch would be to give you something very fulfilling but yes, low in carbohydrates. But if you do like to have roti during this time, the best option to replace roti is with chila. You can have plenty number of chilas in your diet. You can have the zucchini oats chila, you can have moong dal chila, you can have besan chila or sudi chila. Along with that, have approximately 100 grams of paneer bhurji. I make sure to make it in a very yummy manner as shown in the complete recipe here. Have it along with salad and curd for probiotics, and your tasty wholesome meal is ready. You can have approximately 2 to 3 chilas with your paneer bhurji or soya bhurji as per your own choice, or any sabzi or vegetable prepared at your home, and you're good to go to have your tasty meal for your lunch. Second option is all of those who want to have something yummy but yes, very different options as well. My personal favorite and loved by all of my clients is my kebab salad. I've shared the complete recipe of kebab salad in which I am preparing high protein kebabs in an air fryer. You can make it in a grill pan also, or you can also prepare it as I am doing as a kebab chaat. Chaat lovers can definitely fall in love with this. I'm using here the high protein kebabs that I prepare with some rajma and plus with some boiled chickpeas. You can use anything of your own choice. I'm adding some besan for the consistency, adding At the same time, of course, you can add onions or any vegetables of your own choice to this. Along with that, I'll be adding paneer for more protein level. You can use it and replace it with soya also. I'll be also adding some breadcrumbs to it to make it more thick and doable, and all the spices regularly as we do it. Just simply make it in a mixture form with some coriander and you're good to go to just air fry these kebabs, or you can simply even grill it on the grilling pan. Along with that, for over it, I'll be adding some freshly made dahi, or you can use Greek yogurt, homemade chutneys, and you're good to go to have your tasty options for your lunch. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack options for this diet plan, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first option is my personal favorite, having a cup of freshly brewed green tea along with roasted makhanas. You can have approximately 20 grams of roasted makhanas, which help you with vitamin K, E, and calcium as well. So do try out this option for your mid-evening snack, or you can also replace makhana with peanuts. You can add 30 grams of roasted peanuts to your mid-evening snack along with cup of green tea, or you can have black tea or black coffee as per your own choice, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options for this diet plan. Now, if you want to aim for the maximum possible weight loss the next day, I personally recommend all my clients to switch to a no salt dinner. It really helps them for quick weight loss, but yes, if you cannot skip it, then I'll also give a good option for the same. The first option that my clients love having in their dinner is oatmeal with fruits. Now, how is it possible that you can fall in love with this recipe is because it's made in a very convenient manner. Add fruits of your own choice. My clients even have half a mango to it. You can use pomegranate, strawberries, apple, whatever is available at your place to add to your oatmeal with fruits. And trust me, the recipe is super simple and convenient as showed here. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. It's a very fuller recipe. The best thing is that you keep yourself fuller entire night after consuming this option for your dinner. Second option is for all of those who cannot have anything without salt for dinner. For you can always adapt to have either paneer tikka or grilled soya tikka as per your own choice, or my personal favorite, paneer stir fry. The recipes are already up on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients. Paneer tikka is as usual marinated in yogurt along with regular spices and plus some capsicum or bell peppers you can add to it. Just grilling it in an air fry. You can use a grilling pan for the same purpose. Have it warm and trust me, you will fall in love with this. Second option is you can have paneer stir fry. I'm sorting here lots and lots of vegetables. I'm adding here broccoli, carrot, bell peppers, mushrooms you can add. You can add any vegetables of your own choice possible. Roast or grill them properly well along with sauteing paneer, and you're good to go to have your paneer stir fry along with some Greek yogurt for consistency or for just a dressing form. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which is as usual my personal favorite, and recently my clients have showed amazing results with the chamomile tea. All you have to do is simply brew chamomile tea 1 cup before going to bed. Have it sip by sip warm, and trust me, you will see the magic happening. Promotes good sleep benefits, great for metabolism and immunity and for hormonal imbalances, and also promotes good weight loss as well. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Second option, if you cannot have this, is always ajwain or jeera water. Replace it with ajwain or jeera water. You can have it at alternate days as well. Helps with postpartum weight loss, thyroid levels, PCOD, PCOS, bloating, water retention. And with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail to detoxify your system very quickly, and also to remove all the bad toxins from your body as well. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me. And to join the weight loss challenge, directly just ping me on WhatsApp and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming diet plans, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.